Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about head and body tag in HTML language. So here you can see on the top and bottom HTML tag. So now what is head tag? Head tag is basically header of the website. So it will display on the top of document. So just I can close this tag, and whatever we will add, it will be displayed in the top area of the website. And after that, for the body tag, so just we can choose body, then close this tag. So it is basically for the document's body. For example, I can add here some text. And here you can see it will display it in the body. So I also want to add some tag in the head section, for example title. And now I can save this file. Now let me go and reload the browser. So guys, here you can see this is body text, and on the top we have added title text.